Let's go! We're finally blowing something up!
No, we're not.
Oh,
Lan.
Mr. Boynton, what's in the box?
You'll find out if you survive today's challenge.
wait. What? I wonder if it's too late to get my class changed.
Before scientists perform experiments, they learn how to stay safe.
Safety is a part of science.
Exactly.
All set for the science fair.
Trey,
They're technically on.
not where they belong. Safety goggles protect your eyes from chemicals and flying objects.
Goggles would have been useful for my dad when Pizza Hut called him at midnight.
Somewhere in this room are 10 lab safety mistakes. Find them.
This backpack is in the aisle. That's not safe.
This bottle doesn't have a label.
I found a loose wire. Definitely not safe.
Lucero!
I thought it was water.
Never eat or drink from laboratory containers.
Mr. Boynton?
It's always some bullshit.
Relax. It's part of today's lesson. That was not a part of today's lesson. Scientists stay calm during emergencies. Panic makes situations worse.
Looks like everyone's taking safety seriously.
I am.
Oh no! Miss Renee knocked over this chemical.
What should we do?
I love Nicole, but she is a snitch.
Don't touch it. Keep everyone away from the spill.
Tell the teacher immediately.
You see what I mean?
Great job identifying hazards and wearing your personal protective equipment. What else do we need to know to be safe?
Know the location of the fire extinguisher, Eyewash Station, and emergency exits.
And just because it's clear doesn't mean it's safe to drink, especially at my house on a Friday night.